to Buzanga Wagadugu. Yo, this is Kwaw Kesse, aka Yakubu. Ladies time with Fire Lady. That's what it is, man. Yentie baby abio, Asempa, the only one.
Me pamocho your friend of Kwaw Kesse. Wo fie ha. Now here's our ladies man of the moment and of the day. He is the adorable man of the day. Kwaw, mema kwaba.
Yeah, minia yeah, maybe.
Wala me pede kebia. In the my crowd that me nyu be kan fancy. Me bury fancy a no ye zone ye papa. Wow.
Strong for women no much.
And they be mia pa ye squeeze we ye. Near you more woman nyina and a bet and
for feelings.
It's for ladies time na masugu so amutie and surprises I de bremo afia I can say yeah ye mo surprise be bremo and no ladies man of the moment and of the day and de bremo no ne guest no Kwaw Kesse ono wa ha ye be bisa na few questions say ye bre no I bia ne sa or a lot of engagement since na ho ensem no Kwaw Team Ben now support to Ghana.
Oh, Kotoko.
Wow. No, you say Kotoko coach Kotoko coach.
I send Ben now, baby.
Nah, I feel that's all.
No. Who say me team me support Ben? Yeah, me follow.
Follow.
Me follow. Me a die hard fan like that, but. Say Obia with team more support.
Kotoko betting wage league in this season.
Oh, why not?
Yeah.
You say this year and what the new rules are about, what the new coach are about, what the new management is. Why sure there, Charlie they will be cap because last time we were all stars now we be cap and call what I say and.
Nacha the league when you dey
kakra na make
ayade Intafi Kotoko no je hu now ye kwa brotin so a team be support
yeko
EPL
me support Man U
it's for Kwaw Kesse say supporting Manchester United ne club ya metema Kumasi Asante Kotoko
but me other team I me support to your Barca
Ghana Black Stars this year amount for today we gu ihun dem
me to me kade we gu but me to me so kade ongui what I say because since free Iti Misana mi huno.
Okay. All right. Me sponsor me do besi. Am come nyim kaka na misa from afar no. Amanfo man kasa mu hu there too hard. How romantic are you?
Some of these questions I don't know how to answer them. You know, like who?
Emma ba wonche what team approach ma team like.
Oh, why not?
Aside who you ma ebo. Na de no Emma feel you. What team ben what catch out there? Akwa minyawa meyo ndama like me onya doa. Wa ke bi a choda.
Oh yeah, and the mati bebre. The thing is first I'm buying will show me what I say. Because first, na me a lion, now we tame me. When I started coming out, like me pray and bani, oh, Kwaw Kesse, oh, you are a nice guy. Grandma fella. What I say? So you suddenly the mati be brave and baby brave for skinny me and still and baby brave for skinny me. I'm sure.
How do you cope with that?
You know, as I say, we are seeing to me pemba in and yeah, I pay be also na won't what I say. Yeah, inti so they to why so you are content with what you have. Whatever but whatever.
Musicians, no nye footballers, they more live flashy lives now. The flashy cars, you know, more baby also so near day like more life of a year more living. No, amount for whom there a and crop for them munye economical. How is that case?
Media minim say only pebia say Nyankopon oto unse ma obeye flashy because won to me ka say when you scout the see them na why she chalo with the anam chrome like like nyame sure nyame kra be dwa lie what
but there are instances I was binum because of them life na mu living it say cash ne ma na wa kobo besia na ade like most of them
make say nipa bia no nipa bia wo ye wo untumi ye te say kwame ana kweku what you say so o pese unhu say Kwaw Kesse wakoto car ana Kwaw Kesse akoto phone bi ana Kwaw Kesse akọ ye bibi na also pese ukoye the same thing na one check your standard na o level a and it say sebe na just say una masses na ho atochi what you say you have to know your level and place yourself there but say when we say in the video nyama bebre we say you show video ma you think say e real bebre and real video sin bi ho nyama na cars na we use no for current
on na make it more them sustain them lives
na make say when you are doing good you can sustain that life but if you are doing good and you don't have economic mind that well like me say me brand ya abodam what I say nti say who say me bwana mission then mission next week ya abodam that's how I see it.
Okay,
yeah, I don't need to wear
new things every day. Every now and
I have to, I know my level. Make sure kidi was school, member ko school, me wayere what I say. Yeah, if I me will fear, me fear honor say me make sure say maintenance and everything is going on. Inti said they be a me face kana me de akota atare, they be a ma atare na me de akọ red carpet. Na say if you enjoy I think said that is nonsense. Some of us we are economically wise, but
Asempa FM.
Kwaw akanyansa sem artist aware me da aware fatal bibia akofan advice be next be ma young guys are what pede walk into aware then ehu aware mu
aware dey what is easy sir. So if you want to marry
Abigail opedo worry
Abigail no ye fair aware no so dey enya ho fe no enya ho fe me what they call what I say aware ups and downs when oban mo be kunde ochina na mabum so it's not an easy work, it's not an easy thing. So if you want to marry her make sure say nya abotale. Now make sure you are ready. Don't go marry because your friend just got married. Me say unyangufu ni awale won wale dabi. You have to be ready because idea ukoma umpese obefim. Eni mu atete na kwadanda no. Masa enye easy. So let's be ready for it before we go into it.
Okay. Advice Kwaw Kesse edema mo young child mo pese mo ware no e na odi aba nti muntie Kwaw ma kinkan stories bia there was aka there the demise of former manager no nyi nzema bi afem call sales na ade on na wa ma I stronger how
who say those time like I didn't tell any that we feel so be okay for you, but after my manager new no and it me say what me call prison at the same year no my wife
Asempa FM
one person in a year na say sa nyoma we ni atoa na say still you are doing music, still you are taking care of everything that needs to be taken care of, then you are the strongest person in the world.
Until then, they combine the marriage, no job, you
like to say, I also love the Jumano. And we are sure, say, oh, be on the show.
I'm not putting them,
and they be a moon shedding, sir. They be a moon shedding, sir. Definitely, Bakube, so me sola me Juma. That's my job. That's the music, Me do fear me, Mr. Kofi, man.
Kwaw Kesse abodam fansa bowa dream and I no etwetwe nkomo ladies time so no ene ono ya drop man of the day na me pamucho where the questions ne doors but mean to me bisa ninya because of your time no inti meja o mama adorable ladies no one mouth
ladies need the way adorable
me that's it eti obama two questions one on sports one on way inti mensha senfefi wa ukrom ni ofisu edru auto one chain na ma adeze sel
Kwaw akwaba so edrufo obi anu ya
ya lan konkonko
me all me all time track oshana ekoso for the popping and what they need correct me dey different then na AC then na o dey your friend
we are good
me too good open say we to say me no blue
it's a live on Coffee TV ladies time na masugu so mutie na Bishop Bennywood wa crowd our person what dey sam no every more but Kwaw Kesse e ofie ha until a few minutes na ye dey we ha ya
me first question say anya musician and kai bad na be pede be ye
and come a lawyer
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, to say me go school na me person me a lawyer in future. What I say. Okay. And I feel so like I wanted to be a newscaster or something like somebody journalism. So
okay. Abigail. Mano one bini nkona your time na.
Okay. Was it last year like he got divorced and married again in April and
No. Me, I got divorced in April 2014. I got married in 2016 April.
Oh, okay. And marriage life so far, have any kids?
So far I have 3 kids.
Boys?
1 boy, 2 girls.
Okay, so we'll talk about the boy later.
You said we'll talk about
the boy later.
You want to marry the boy?
No, me probably am an ababa mama managing no.
Okay. Emma.
So ex-wife has 2 children. Bouquet 1. Okay, but adia eyana me hu ne se asesa wo ho. Fenek de no. Eyana me hu so wo kana asema. How with passion. Ye ja bibia manyame.
Amen.
Ne ko ye de baaye nipa ntimi enchase. Nyame nipa ne nyame bedi nti nyame bu wo a na waja manyame.
Oh sure, nyame de ye ja manyame but you know
but
you know like so be like
promising guy
but on you be any problem and obi be ko ni fi akoko no and me when I think about those things that's the pain that I know.
Ladies time na masugu so mutie no Kwaw Kesse enene woye adorable man of the day, ladies man of the day na ye bre no ayebe because Bishop Bennywood aye krado na Coffee TV stream ye live nti wan chance anhwe kwa betimi asan akwa na Kwaw yati se woye agenda bi we on agenda bi a wo promote Ghana music. How is it or difficult is it? How has it been? Promotion
the thing is nowadays, you know, like one Bogan and Germany baby radio. You know, that one there I don't know Bia one then they said, but me I think say from my point of view, from where I'm coming from, I don't hear a lot of Ghanaian music on radio anymore. And I feel say we should start championing Ghanaian music being played on radio, and secondly, we as musicians we have to set up. You know, some people are using music and stuff to eat from our coffers, and we have to come up and come together and make sure we can move the Ghana music industry forward. You know, nobody can do it alone. We have to come together and champion the cause. Say we want Ghanaian music to be better. You know, we want Ghanaian music to be promoted on the international level, you know, from the government's point of view. Because we are representing Ghana and we need the government to push us to higher heights. Maybe I say sometimes President Bush back Ghana, or some girl be away winning American Idol by more than 2 American national anthem. You know, so it will be nice to say like, yeah, President, you to Kwanya. your Ghanaian musician be DH, and it helps promote the music industry and tourism as well. You know, so that's what I'm championing for.
Crawford Kade, new management, no, headed by Kelvin. I said, one team, one wow, and left on I said, slow be. One team of I wouldn't do the high stage be or no car.
Management there for now, we refurbishment, rebranding, and all from this year. So people should watch out. You know, now we have a team that is, you know, planning something better for the brand. So, you know, this year people will see the difference.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay. Kwaw Kesse. Ena motse nka se ene wobeka ye ho ladies time homa ye de
ansa na meko me won fufu bi a ewo out awobbo odo adada me featuring Buddha.
Buddha.
Video ne so koso live or YouTube abetuma check video no.
Oh nice.
I feel so new one me released it 2 weeks ago. FDN what I say yembofu abbreviation FDN. And also koso me no ka say mini DJ Black here be drop a new song far one and as you drop in a match, so you know fans and watch out for something madder what I say this year.
Kwaw Kesse ya dasi de be kan ye ho. Sampa 94.7 ladies time ye de akosi midin di meve samano fire lady adorable lady Pragia in Kunkumbage mene adorable ladies Emma Mankwe Fifa Abigail Senasusu Nanama Adezesel and ye di show ne production headed by Immortal Ejakwa Echampon and ye de semno ebre wo na kwapia eso social media niama no e de bibia ebre team ni nyina abom homodin Kofi TV team Madam Wase papa multi TV team na so amoba David McCarthy ene ye senior brother Leslie so eka ho na wo the shots ni nyina ebremo e social media so ye de be see same time next week no me pamocho say ye na ye kan ye de ye see ayeyo enti no mo be sign at ye nka same time Asempa 94.7 ladies time so 12:30 ekwapem 1:30 men flip it down the side brace so no Bishop Bennywood and what's na say na what the pastors forum e de abremo bomadian na koswa neti